Hello, today is Monday, April 6th, and it is our second week of distance learning. Today's objective, students will be able to complete questions 1 through 4 found in Science Packet Week 2 with annotations and evidence. This week we will talk about energy. Today we will focus on light energy. The key points for today are: light travels in a straight line until it hits an object. Light can be absorbed, reflected, refracted, or transmitted. ARRT. ART stands for absorb, reflection, refraction, and transmit. We can use an art chart to show how light travels. For example, this is the picture of the art chart. Absorb, reflect, refract, and transmit. Absorb means to take in. In this case, light goes in and it does not bounce back. It does not go through. It just stays in. No light passes through. A black object will be considered an opaque object. This is why sometimes when you're wearing a black shirt outside, you get warm, hot very quickly because the black color of your shirt is absorbing light. Reflection. Reflection is when light bounces off a shiny, smooth surface, like a still lake, like a mirror. Angle in, angle out. During reflection, you will see an image. For example, this still lake, we can see the image of the mountains. In this mirror, the mirror from the middle, it's showing the reflection of the flowers, of the tulips. This is an example of a concave mirror. Concave mirror is just like the inside of a spoon. If it's a shiny metal, it will reflect light. Refraction is when light goes through a medium and it bends. We can see from the second picture that the light is going through this glass, but the direction of the light changes just a little bit. And because it changes the direction of the light, even if it's just a little bit, we will see objects to appear differently. They will look broken, like this pencil, or even larger, like the bottom of the pencil looks very large. Or this polar bear, the body does not seem aligned with the head, and that is because the light is being refracted. Transmit. This is when light goes through. If we have a transparent object, the light will go through. All of the light will pass through. If we have a translucent object, some of the light will pass through. A clear window will be an example of a transparent object. The light will be transmitted. Wax paper will be an example of a translucent object. Some of the light we will see. Our turn. You do not have this question. Please don't look for it because you do not have it. But I chose this question because I want to show you how you would work out a question about light. I'm going to model for you the type of questions that you should be asking yourself and the type of strategy that you should be doing in your paper. The first thing I do is read the question to myself. The illustration shows the light ray striking an object. In the illustration, the light striking the object is, first thing I do is underline or highlight the question because this is what I need to answer. After I highlight my question, I will think of keywords that will help me answer my question. I can see the word light, it's an important word, like striking the object. Object. What kind of object is this? Now, after I circle, I also start my art chart. I need to decide what kind of object this is. Is it absorbed? Does the light goes in? No. the light does not go in. The light is actually bouncing. So it cannot be absorbed. Reflect, is the light bouncing? Yes. This object must be shiny and smooth. I can't see it. I can't see the color or if it's a metal, but I know that the light is bouncing. So this could be my answer. Refract, is the light going through and bending? No, it is not bending. Is the light just going through? No, the light is not just going through. The light is reflecting, it's bouncing. The light striking the object is reflecting. The next thing I do is write my evidence. Light striking the object is bouncing off the surface. This means the light is reflecting. Your turn. Go to question 3 from packet week 2. Read the question to yourself. Highlight the question. Circle your keywords. Write your R chart and write your evidence. Please make sure to complete the rest of the questions 1 through 4 with annotations and evidence. After packet questions, do online assignment and the practice questions, and also watch your extension video. Thank you. Enjoy your Monday.